guys, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Again, you know, I've been in the hospital, so I'm trying to catch up on spoilers, so we're going to hold off on the comments until I get these caught up. But my girl Susan over there at BoxyCharm Sneak Peek, she's also got a YouTube channel here. She has seen some possible future spoilers. So, of course, that's what we're going to be looking at today. Y'all let me know what you think. So, guys, if you're excited about this video, y'all go ahead and hit your thumbs up button. Also, hit your subscribe button and make sure your bell's on. That way you're notified and you don't miss out on no spoilers. And before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup-related videos. Now, sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. And, guys, if you're not yet subscribed to this channel, I'm about to put up a 5-second timer. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button. During that time, you'll see a little red heart. It's going to turn a shade of blue for about a half a second, so don't blink. But it's also going to give you good luck for the rest of 2020, and who don't want that? So let's go ahead and get that done. Well, welcome to the family, guys. Now let's go ahead and dive into this madness. Now, again, these are possible future spoilers. We don't know what month, what box, but as soon as I find out, you know, I'm going to let y'all know. So anyways, I guess Susan found these on one of Joe's posts. It could have been an Instagram post. It could have been on TikTok. I'm not exactly sure. Like I said, I've been in the hospital, and I'm trying to keep up with this stuff and get this stuff caught up. So let's go ahead and look at the items. So the first thing that she spotted was the Marc Jacobs Dew Drops Coconut Gel Highlighter. That looks like a very nice item. And then, of course, she also seen this Marc Jacobs Youthquake right here. Now, this is some kind of a moisturizer, I'm assuming. And we did see this in a past sneak peek, but this just confirms it a little bit more because he's showing it again. So I'm quite excited to see what everybody thinks about these and what box they're going to be in. So if you would let me know what you think about these items down in the comments. And of course, as soon as they reveal anything else, I'll keep you guys updated. You know I'm going to keep you in the loop. And as always, BoxyCharm is linked below if you want to go check them out. If you would, double check. Make sure you're still subscribed to this channel. You know how YouTube likes to take my subscribers and tell me I don't have any? Yeah, they do it all the time. But if you would check on that for me, and if you're not, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free, and it's a gift from me to you, and it's rude not to accept a gift, so you gotta take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm gonna need y'all to rate the video, but you're only gonna have one option. You can only hit the thumbs up button, because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago, and YouTube won't fix it. And there's one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. If you would, make sure your notification bell is set on, that way you don't miss another upload of mine. You'll catch all these spoilers. And guys, I also do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers, so if you ever want to put a face to the voice, go check those out. And that's it. That's all I got for you. I love y'all so much. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.